In order to access the battery, we need to remove the back case. For that, you will need a very tiny screwdriver, such as size 1. If you look carefully at the back of your watch, you should be able to spot a very tiny groove, and your screwdriver should be small enough that it will go in between this groove. And once it's in, then all you got to do is to turn the screwdriver and it would act as a lever and it will pull up the case, and once it's out, you could use your finger to remove the case. You might see a plastic frame protecting the mechanism, so you could also take that out to further help with removing the battery. Make a note of your battery type and size. Watch batteries are called coin battery or button cell battery. They come in different sizes, so you got to check the back of your battery for its model number to find out its size. My battery is SR626SW, which is same as 377 or AG4. Warning: don't put the wrong battery. It's very easy to confuse the size of two similar batteries. Please mention your battery's model number in the comments. Now, to remove the battery, you could use the same screwdriver, put it under the battery and pull up from underneath, and it should pop out. Important: the battery can only work when fitted from the correct side, so don't mix up the bottom and the top of the battery. Put it in the same direction as you have removed. Make sure your watch has start working. You might have to press in the crown button for it to start working again. Now carefully align the plastic frame in a way that the groove of the frame aligns with the rod that's connected to the crown. Make sure it is securely fitted and it is completely inside. Now it's time to put in the back case. Very important: back case can go only in one position. You should find a slot on the back case near to the bottom of the back case, and this is where you would need to put on the rod that's connected to the crown. This slot basically gives space for the rod, so if you would put the back case in any other position, it could damage the rod and hence your watch. So now you can completely push in the back case. You might hear a click sound. That means you have now successfully fitted the back case. And lastly, you could see the groove that we use for opening the back case in a different position to where the groove that was used for the rod was. Just a reminder, don't confuse the two grooves. One is for opening the case and the other is for placing it on the rod that's connected to the crown.
I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.